Kalami kajingan tho kabajur halor kajingja kiparti. Kibadon hakaliang persya sya kajingya lang kren kaput kabalalong hakan kasngi balang ha sekretariat. Halor kane usembut menteri rangba kajela ba prestun tansong ulong bakidon kidaw kiba penlong ya ketika liang persya hadu bakin pep ya ketika jingya lang kababaro kilawan banasi mentalang.
Ngi daga department na kinsa ngila rep ai ngila isu ikona ya ka city nga tribe duna su la ar la iski te kham tam ka party office ka badon hasilong ngam tharai bakan sitom ban ong magin deliver ya kena ka city namar lada ong ban ka don char boy la ni ka don sha garu la ni ka don sha west castles le south west castles le don sha tai jantia la se kan kham sitom ten kani ka bangla isu namara ngile na ka political department teng syangi penting na ba ka city na ka benta bangi khot yaki bakin wanlang menin ka sngi ngila pen poilut syaki political parties paro la dalong kumta kamut balik itu kiwi pat ki political parties kiwat ya kataru nga bu jinga ya kata ngam kemo ping ngam la ban ong kumnung nu ten rei ya ka invitation ngila pa bat ba ngau pi hakin sya haslong namar menta kum UDP UHSBP ngam tip kum noki yo ya ka city namar la piong bak receive menin te ngam la ban skutu la ka long hakonu kelenti te ne kitu kiwi politik kiwan te kat ba ka kongres bat kiwi paru kimpoi te kata nginam la ban ong kum tang belong ba nakaliang jong sarkari ngilaya konsol lut ya barok ki stakeholders to wat ikini ki politik party so ki bayawan menin tingla ya share ban ngila shim ya ka views na kaliang jong kiro kumno bengin ya nang ne shakmat forward ya ka ni ki issue ko be dei bat ka interstate boundary. Well, I don't know, I can't say much about this, but of course notice has been issued. We have already invited all the political parties. But even me, I fail to understand why they did not attend the meeting yesterday. So I have nothing to say much. But of course, a number of political parties, they attended yesterday's meeting. We have already shared from the government and we sought views, suggestions, submission from their side. So all these suggestions, submission made by different political parties, not only political parties, even the social organization and this council and the HIMA, the SAIM, the Rangbashnong, that has been taken note of by the government. But we have already informed, we have already invited to the meeting yesterday, but maybe they have their own reason where they cannot attend. That I can't say right now.